Hey Kevin, giving you a quick tour of every day. So, quick overview, just what you're looking at. Pretty standard. You have your navigation menu, general space where you're going to see everything and where you're going to work through. A couple of things to touch on. One, you can get started pretty quickly. Just starting a new project. You can see I already created one for Pantheon, but we can create it again. You can also set this up for tenants or projects. So adding an organization if you have particular customers and want to manage workflows around that, and this will roll up a new instance. General management, upgrading billing. This is fully set up for role-based access, model sovereignty, so you can actually key in your own model if you want privacy in that way. But yeah, so what we're doing here is we're really bringing intelligence to each one of your processes or procedures. So you'll see, like within the Pantheon one, you can set up your own space, very easy. You can come in and you can set up a new standard operating procedure, upload a new document. Now, I've already gone ahead and done this, but I'm going to show you one of the values. You can come in here and set up. This is a sample SOP from one of our customers. So you can come in here and see how everything is moving. Now, what you're going to see, which I love, is variation control. So if you have multiple SOPs, you can come in here and select one as current and have it set. And then within the timeline, what you're going to see is actually have that process upload. So within about 10 to 15 seconds, it extracts the plan directly from that SOP that you've uploaded. Now, we talked about this, and you don't have to have the perfect SOP for this to start working. You can start with a rough draft and have the system start to measure. Now, what this is doing is this is actually collecting data and integrating across your entire tool stack, collecting that log data and comparing it to that process. So what you're able to do with that, and we'll just get over into some of these insights, is from that SOP, you're actually able to see how people are performing across their tool stack relative to the plan that we've extracted. And that flags deviations in the process. It begins to predict where likely deviations are happening or bottlenecks, and then you're able to actually auto-generate corrective actions, and we're building up towards that. So what this does is it ends up giving you pretty much a 360 view of every project, process, and even the team members if you didn't see that. So you can see which team members may be at bottlenecks, exactly where that's happening, right? And then you can see the individual SOPs and their effectiveness and change it from there. So yeah, additionally, man, just wanted to give you kind of an update. I sent over some technical documents. We've built this out to be model sovereign. We're an AWS team. It's very modular. We're compliant to security protocols. We pseudonymize all the data that we upload, but we can get started pretty quickly. Yeah, with any interest, man, please let me know. Happy to walk through it individually and talk to you soon. All right.